Hello friends, welcome to Max Pro Tips tutorial how to access Clipboard on Android mobile. I will show you step by step guide to do this. If you find this tutorial helpful then please consider subscribing my channel and liking the video. First method is paste the most recent thing that you copied. Open any app that support typing. For example, I open my messages app. You open any text editor or any app as well. And here you need to tap and hold on any text editor or that support typing. So I simply here tap and hold, and here is the menu option will be pop up, and here if you tap on paste, then most recent thing that you copied is pasted into typing area. This is the method one that supports all Android mobile by default. And if you want to paste most recent text that you copied, for example, 4 5 different texts that you recently copied, so you need to install application on your Android mobile from Play Store. So open the Play Store application. So tap on Play Store, and in here tap on search bar. In search bar you need to type Gboard and open this Gboard, and here install this application. So simply tap on install, then this application will be start downloading, and after downloading this application will be automatically installed in your Android mobile. Using this application you paste last 4 to 5 texts that you copied recently in your Android mobile. In by default, you paste only recent text that you copied. With using this application, you paste 4 to 5 recent texts that you copied recently in your mobile. So we show you step by step to how to paste most recent text. So simply tap on open this application. This application will be open, and here is the first select Gboard as your default input method, and then step 2 all set, then tap on done, and here is the preference setting, different setting that you want to change according to your need. So you need to go to your mobile setting option. So tap on here setting, and you need to find language and input option in your setting. So scroll down, and in different mobile here is the different setting. So in this mobile I go to additional setting and find keyboard and input method. You find in mobile setting option keyboard and input method. Simply tap on, and here is the change the keyboard. If you if here select different keyboard, then you need to select this Gboard method. So tap on Gboard. Here is the Gboard method will be selected, and then go to any app that support typing. I open my this messaging app, and in here I type, for example, I type here any word, and here you see here is the clipboard option will be seen here. Simply tap on clipboard, then tap on turn on clipboard, and here you see different last text that you copied from your Android mobile. So in this way you use this Method: simply tap on any text and text will be pasted in your typing area. Clipboard support 5 recent texts that you copied in your Android mobile. So friends, in this way you use Clipboard on your Android device. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any query related to this solution, simply ask me in comment section. I will answer there. So like this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.